In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your main workspace on Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or a seasoned user, knowing how to efficiently switch between workspaces can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. To begin, we'll start from your Monday.com homepage. This is the central hub where all your current projects and tasks are typically visible, allowing you to manage your ongoing work effectively. Once you're on your home page, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see the name of your current workspace displayed prominently. Now, this section is crucial because it holds the key to accessing other workspaces you might be part of. Click on the name of your current workspace, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. This drop-down is not just a simple list. It's your gateway to all other workspaces that you're connected to within Monday.com. This feature provides flexibility, allowing you to seamlessly toggle between different environments tailored for specific projects or teams. When the drop-down is visible, you'll see a list of all your available workspaces. Scan through this list and identify the workspace you want to switch to. It could be a department-specific workspace or a special project workspace that requires your immediate attention. Understanding the structure and names of your different workspaces can really help here, so make sure they are clearly defined. Now, simply click on the desired workspace from the list. This action will take you to the new workspace you've selected. You'll notice the interface might change slightly, displaying tasks, boards, and information relevant to the chosen workspace. This quick switch helps you stay organized, maintain focus on specific tasks, and manage multiple projects without getting overwhelmed. Just like that, you've successfully navigated from one workspace to another. This process is straightforward, but offers a significant advantage in managing different teams or projects. Remember, being able to efficiently use all the features of Monday.com can greatly enhance your productivity and keep your tasks running smoothly. If you ever need to switch back or access another workspace, simply repeat the same process. The ability to navigate through different workspaces with ease is one of the reasons why Monday.com is a robust tool for collaboration and project management. And there you have it, a simple but powerful way to change your workspace within Monday.com. Keep practicing this navigation to become more adept, and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you make the best use of Monday.com and its impressive array of features.